Q. On the 29th of the 7th month of 1436, I called this paper Applying for a Part-Time Job at a Golden Wisdom Temple and Lesson 3 of the Eckankar 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp. Page 52 has an illustration of a person at the wheel of a car. Golden-tongued wisdom is a way that Eckankar members believe they are receiving constant messages from their leader. The person sees into the rear-view mirror and out the window at the 10-wheeler with the answer is clear upon the side. One can't go to too many Eckankar meetings without hearing of someone claiming that they think someone they call Mahanta, the living Eckmaster, sent them subliminal messages through logos and phrases in the words of people who are not connected to Eckankar. Those who read Harold Klemp's previous discourse might have already become more open to acquiring or accepting schizophrenia. And the sage directs the oracle rather than consults it. So there's stuff we can interpret from inner and outer life all over the place. Don't think shuffling cards or some message on a billboard or whatever was, whether it's an active or passive oracle, and that way it's still. Or someone goes up and talks to you and you're supposed to, well, if they have an answer, they have an answer. If they don't, they, Or maybe you can't, maybe it's just not literally or not how you think of it. But